No, I didn't make it move this time. That's okay because we're just sitting down. Good morning.
It's moving.
Is it moving?
Yeah.
Good morning, guys. Happy Friday.
Friday. Why
And Isla's got a cough.
I'm
Kape-kape. Sakit ang ulo ko. Wala na naman akong maayos na tulog.
I mix it.
You mix it, yeah. Mainit siya kahapon. Kagabi. So, pinainom namin siya ng gamot.
I still warm.
You're still warm?
Yeah.
Pero ganyan. Hindi mahina. Energetic pa din. Ayan, ang bubo. Kakasabi ko lang na hindi siya na ano ng sakit. After nung last day niya sa school.
Mommy,
It is a lot. Here. I'll show you.
medicine.
Ah, medicine, yeah. You already had medicine.
I know you had medicine.
So, she had medicine last night. And then, nagising din siya madaling araw. So, bumangon kami. And pinainom namin siya ng gamot. And then, ngayon, pagising namin. So, it's currently 9:20. Kanina pa kami gising. But we stayed in bed hanggang sa nakatulog ulit si Arlo. Si Arlo yung ang aga nagising. Bumangon na talaga siya. Kung abot niya lang yung door, lumapas na yun, guys, at nagliwaliw dito sa bahay. Buti na lang hindi niya paabot.
And about my teddies.
Naririnig ko si Arlo. Sabi niya, Mommy, I can't reach it. I can't reach it. Kasi gusto niyang i-open yung door. Iniisip ko, nag-ready si Dan for work. Huwag niyang disturbuin. Yeah, that's what Arlo says all the time. I can't reach it. I can't reach it. Ang cute-cute niya. Nayaan ko lang siya maglaro. Buti na lang may laruan kami kung saan-saan dito sa bahay. So wala kaming specific play area. Buong bahay namin considered play area. They can play wherever. Like, meron kaming toys dito. Pag pumunta sila sa kabilang lounge, meron toys sa kabilang lounge. Pumunta sila sa kwarto namin. Sa main bedroom, may toys. Sa room nila, may toys. Doon sa rampas area sa taas, may toys din. Alam mo yun? So, naglaro lang si Arlo hanggang sa bumalik siya sa bed at natulog siya, guys. Pagtulog niya, saka kami bumangon na lang. Kasi gising na siya nung tulog na si Arlo. Gising na siya. Tapos, siya na talaga yung hinila na talaga ako pababa. Not yet. Ito pa yung biscuit from Bali, oh. Wala akong ganang kumain ng malakihan. So, papika-pika lang ako. Hindi kagaya ng mga ibang days na I want this today, I want this today. Ngayon, wala.
What do you want?
What
do you want?
I don't know. Last night, yung kinain ko lang is yung nagpabili kasi ako kay Dan ng parang binangkal nga na malaki galing sa Asian shop. Nagpabili ako sa kanya ng 2 nun. Isa lang yung nakain ko. Yun lang yung dinner ko. At saka mangga. Isang buong mangga yung pinakita ko sa kagabi.
And a baby?
Baby? I have a baby now. I have a baby in my belly. I love your facial expressions. You make such good facial expressions. Keep eating. I love you too.
Why are there 2 rings?
I got 2 rings.
Why?
I got 3 rings here. That's from Dada.
I want to read.
Daddy gave this to me and then we got married. We had a wedding. So no school for 2 weeks. 2 weeks holiday.
Mommy, 2 weeks holiday.
Hello people! Dito kami sa car park. Tamang food trip lang with the kids. Right? What do you want, Isla? Do you want chicken nuggets? Isla wants chicken nuggets. You want chicken nuggets, boy? Oh, diba? May chips na nga. May chicken nuggets pa. There you go. Oh, wow. That's Iron Man. Nag-order lang ako ng puro Happy Meal for all of us. So, yung akin is cheeseburger. You finished with the chips? Okay. You want more, Ayla?
Yeah.
Let's see what we can find here. Ooh. Yung habol ni Ayla, mga stickers lang. Tagal nagising ni Arlo. Pag doorbell ni Kuya, nagising si Arlo. And he was not happy. Arlo, who's this?
Batman.
Batman! Good eating, boy.
Mommy.
Here, Ayla, more stickers. Can you reach? There you go. Stickers lang habol ni Ayla. Ayaw pa niya kumain. Mamaya na siya. So, 3 Happy Meals para tig-isa kami ng drinks, 3.
You've been used more hammer.
Sorry?
You've been used more hammer.
I did. I brought my small camera, yeah. You like my camera?
Yeah.
Thank you. Naiihi ako, guys. Wala kasi. Tiis-tiis ka talaga. Hirap umihi. May kasama ka na. Dalawang chigiting. Kasi hindi ko alam kung saan yung toilet dito. Oh my gosh! It's all Batman today. This is the last one, Ayla, okay? We only have 3.
Okay.
Thank you. So, they're all the same as well.
Don't say it down.
Yeah. So, ngayon, nahihilig na din si Arlo sa mga superhero. Who's this, Arlo?
Superhero?
Puno yung bibig niya, guys.
Batman!
Batman! Yay! So, ano siya ngayon? Dinosaur at superhero yung mga bet niya.
Yummy.
Yummy!
See? A boy is out. See? A boy is out.
That's not a boy?
See, a dog is out.
Where?
Yeah.
Sabi kasi ni Ayla, Mami, sa labas tayo kumain, bakit tayo nandito sa loob ng car? Sabi ko, nakikita mo bang may mga bata sa labas? Wala kasi kami sa, palaruan. Nandito lang talaga kami sa car park. Kasi baka ma-distract sila. Gusto ko kumain si Arlo. Hindi pa siya nag-breakfast eh. Pagising, late nga kasi siya nagising. Ha? That was a woman, that one?
See, that is a dog.
Where? Yeah, but she's a big girl. She's an adult. See, she's walking on her own. You don't see kids walking around right now.
Why is walking in her own?
Because she's adult, she can. Hello.
I'm a big dog too.
You're a big girl, but you still need mommy.
I can't swim.
Huh?
I can't swim.
You can swim, yeah?
Mommy, I fall.
Yeah. So you still need mommy or daddy to assist you.
I only say Dada.
That's right. You want your juice, Ayla?
Yeah,
Please.
please.
Thank you.
Me too.
Oh my gosh, that's hard to open. Oh my goodness gracious.
Please.
Arlo's was really easy, but this one is... there you go. Kailangan kasi siyang i-open kasi nakaseal yung dito, so kailangan may i-open mismo to. And alala ko, pumunta kami ni Ayla nun sa shops. Binilhan ko siya, tapos gusto na niyang inumin. Hindi ko siya ma-open, guys. Wala sila nun. Kahit anong open ko, hindi ko talaga siya ma-open.
Mama!
Nahirapan talaga ako. Tumawag ako ng random na lalaki na dumaan. Sabi ko, can you please open for me? It's really hard. Tapos yung lalaki din na tumulong sa akin, miski siya nahirapan. Tapos sabi niya, ito inopen yung pinaka-cap, yung pinaka-taas. Sabi ko, hindi kasi sealed kasi yung pinaka-ano niya. So buti na-open niya, ganun siya. Kawawa tuloy ako kay kuya. Kasi Ella gustong-gusto na uminom. Sabi ko, thank you so much. Na-open niya, pero ang tagal niyang na-open. Nahirapan din siya. Sabi niya, why do they do this for kids drink? Sabi ko, diba? Kaloka. Sorry? Nothing for baby. Yeah, that's for the little baby. Baby girl. Let's try. Does it fit?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, perfect.
Perfect. Get a wipe to wipe your face. Uh-oh.
This one for your boy. This one for boys.
Yeah,
Boys. This is boys now.
that's right. you gonna help Mama hand this? Oh, you cleaned your face already. Perfect.
I like that.
Let me just make sure everything's clean. Beautiful. No more yogurt. Here, put in the bin, please. Thank you. Alright.
Why?
Which one goes where? Alright.
Oh, it's too big.
Let us open this so we can decide which one goes where. Gusto ko na siyang ilagay, guys. Tutulungan daw ako ni Ayla. Are you gonna help Mama? Which one should go on this side? This one or this one? That one, you think? Tignan na natin ng maayos. Pagpasok natin, anong dapat nating makita? Anong gusto nating makita una? I know, I'll put it there. I'm just deciding which one I'm gonna put there. So, pagpasok natin, yan yung makikita natin. So, feeling ko, ilalagay ko doon yung medyo mas bright tingnan. Kasi parang yung corner na yan, medyo ano, diba guys? Medyo dark. Yung dito kasi, ayan. Tumatama kasi sa kanya yung light. So, okay na dito yung medyo hindi kasing light na piece. Wait. So, ito, mas marami kasi siyang lighter na piece. So, ilagay natin siya dun. Dun. No. And pinagpalit ko na din pala yung stand. So, dyan ko nilagay yung bago nating binili. Tapos, yung luma nandun sa kabila. But I kept the plant here. So, yan yung una ko talagang peace lily na malaki na talaga siya. Si Dan bumili kanina sa Bunnings ng pot saucer. Kasi napuno na ng tubig siya, guys. Meron na naman siyang pot sa loob. Pero napuno pa din siya ng tubig. So, lalagyan ko siya ng saucer just to catch more water. Tapos, pinadalawa ko na kasi yung isang saucer gagawin kong pang-stand. Pang-stand sa isang saucer. Does that make sense? Para medyo umangat yung plant kasi medyo mababa siya eh. So, aangat pa yan mamaya. Kasi ngayon yung leaves niya tumatama sa stand mismo. So, medyo aangat pa yan mamaya pagdating na Dan. But maybe we will just do the measurement and I will do the marking. And then later, Daddy can help us. Weekend bukas, may footy na naman yung Daddy natin. So, I'll start with the markings now. Whose birthday is next? Daddy's birthday is next. Daddy's birthday is next. Oh, it's even more beautiful. Oh my gosh, that's nice. Oh, nice. Oh, I love it. Uy, ang ganda ng kulay.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to Mama! Happy birthday to
Discuss that later.
Let's have a demonstration of the strength level. I don't want to be like you.
You just want to be like me? Aw, Mama.
Let's go with
I'm drawing. Alright. So, I have my markings. Hindi nyo kita kasi syempre ninipisan ko lang yung marking ko. I will put it up, tapos i-review ko sa camera kung okay na ba ako dun. Wait, sa i-move lang kita saglit. Ang vegat! Wait.
Competitors, you are going to race all around the city. Alright, now we have these. So, ito yung ginagamit namin panghang sa lahat ng aming mga abubot dito sa bahay. It's the Command strips. Meron siya iba-ibang sizes. I got the large one for these ones here kasi syempre malaki siya. And sabi, 4 sets will hold up to 7 kilos. I think I will do 6 just to be sure. Okay lang naman sana sa amin maglagay ng holes sa bahay. Kaya lang si Dan kasi hindi kasi siya maganyan. Mas ako pa siguro yung magpupukpok, guys. Dan will hire someone to do it. Iniisip ko kasi kaya ko naman. Kaya lang if I pukpok, kailangan ko yung tool na makaka-detect kung meron bang wood na makakasuporta sa syempre sa ipupukpok ko sana. This is just easier for me to do. Kaysa sa magpukpok ako dyan, baka mabutasan ko pa, tas mali pa. Meron naman yung tool na mache-check mo. Kaya lang I have to buy that. Tapos, di nga ako papayagan ni Dan. Mas gusto niya mag-hire ng tao. Marunong ako yung ganun. Kasi tinuruan ako ni Papa. Ganunin mo lang. Tas, malalaman ko kung hollow siya or hindi. Kaya lang, baka magkamali ako. Tapos mapukpok ko, mabutasan ko. Ito na lang. Okay naman to. Tapos payagan pa ako na ako lang gumawa. Iba-iba kasi talaga tayo, diba? Si Dan, ayaw niya yung nagpuput up ng mga furniture. Kaya ayaw niya bumili ng furniture sa IKEA. Kasi gusto niya yung naka-assemble na para sa kanya. Ayaw niya yung ina-assemble pa. Pero ako, gustong-gusto ko yung mga ganyan. Di naman sa gustong-gusto, but like, you know, I don't mind doing stuff like that. Itong brand na to, matibay talaga to, yung Command na brand. Command ba yung ano mo? Brand mo or 3M? Yeah, Command brand. Command brand. Ayan, i-ano nga natin yung focusing ng kamerang to. There you go. May pa-blur-blur ang background. Igara ang kamera ha. Oh, wow. You put it on me? Okay. I'll get married? Okay. Oh. Kanina nilalagay niya to sa ulo niya, tapos sabi niya, I just got married! Here, because this is what you do, baby. Here, what I'm trying to say is you clip it. You clip it on your hair and it stays like that. I told you. Kanina kasi ayaw niya. Gusto niya, itong ipit, nakaipit lang sa dito. Ayaw niyang ipaipit sa buhok niya. So, hinayaan ko lang siya. Sige, ipit mo dyan. Yeah, it's yours. Mahuhulog talaga yan, sis. So, double-sided siya. May tape siya dito, may tape siya dito. Siyempre, ito sa canvas or sa kung ano isasabit mo. At saka dito yung sa wall mismo. So, I'll do 6. Idikit ko lang to. Tapos yung isa tatanggalin ko. Time check, 5:15 na ng hapon. Na-markingan ko na yung dun sa kabila. Ilalagay ko na to maya-maya lang. Anyway, break muna tayo. Mag-share muna ako sa inyo ng code which is 15% off sa Yes Style. Walang minimum order. Kung hindi nyo pa alam, Yes Style, nagbebenta sila ng skincare, makeup, hindi lang Korean makeup but mostly Korean makeup, Korean skincare. May mga damit din sila. May mga home stuff, may mga kitchen stuff. Ang dami-dami mo makikita sa Yes Style. Kung interesado lang kayo, you can use my code RAISEKFEST. Ililive ko siya sa screen with no minimum order. Again, lagi ko itong sinasabi, hindi lang ganun kabilis yung shipping nila kasi ako express na nga lagi yung pa-ship ko pero ang tagal pa din yan dumating. But it's good to stock up on your skincare. Kung meron na kayong skincare na ginagamit nyo talaga, and available siya sa Yes Style. Sa Yes Style yung isa sa pinakamurang online shopping na nakita ko when it comes to Korean products. Kasi alam niyo naman kapag dito natin yung binibili, kung nasa ibang bansa tayo, diba? Yung mga Korean makeup, mahal talaga siya. Kung dito mo siya bibilhin, like in my case, Australia, mahal siya. But sa Yes Style, isa siya sa pinakamurang mabibilhan ng mga Korean makeup online. So that's my code, RAISEKFEST. 15% off, no minimum order, but you do get free shipping. Free shipping to guys ha, kahit saan kayo sa mundo. If you reach 49 USD. And konting skincare lang naman yan kasi ang mamahal na ng bilihin ngayon. So kapag umabot kayo ng 49 USD, you will get free shipping. And then, you can use my 15% off to get 15% off the items na bibilhin nyo. That is valid for only 48 hours. Kung late nyo na to napanood tong video na to and the code doesn't work, that's because it's only for 48 hours. This lip balm that I have right now is from YesStyle. It's the naming brand. Ganito yung kulay niya. Ito yung lip balm ko na nasa bag ko lang. Maganda siya, ang social din ng packaging niya, kaya gustong-gusto ko siya dinadala. That's one of the products that they offer, but they have so many. Alam niyo naman guys, kung nakashop na kayo sa YesStyle, ang dami-dami dun, magbuwang kakapili. Mas bright to compared sa isa. I got this pala from Zokies. Hello, excuse me, Angmao, look. Look at this.
Wow!
Wow! Do you like it?
Wow!
Wow! Oh, the wow! Wow! Do you like it? Oy!
So big!
So big!
So big!
So big! Uy! Ano ka ba? Ah, batang naninira ng gamit!
So big!
So big! You ready to go, baby? Tingnan yung outfit niyan. Kakarating lang ni Dan. Nilagay agad namin, guys. Yan na yung itsura. And aalis kami, punta kami kina Sharon. Kasi itong batang to kanina pa sabi punta siya kay nanay niya. So punta kami dun. Gabi na, guys, pero tayo na talagang pupunta dun. Yan yung isa. And yan yung isa. Oh. Gandarns. Uy, in fairness sa camera, guys. Maganda yung sa low light niya. We ordered food kasi hindi pa kami kumakain. Tapos punta kami kina Nana, diba? Rickshaw Inn. It's a Chinese. Uh-oh. Oh no, what's happening? It's a Chinese restaurant. Bakit umaatras yung truck? Nangyari sa'yo, truck? Okay ka lang ba? Siya yung binubusinahan, guys. Maatras siya. Ay, okay na okay yung low light niya. Thank you, Daddy. I'm not sure what happened, baby. Tapos yung in-orderan ni Dan is yan, the chicken home. Diyan, guys. Huh?
Someone why?
Someone what? Tapos ganito yung itsura niya kapag walang ilaw yung car. And ganyan kapag may ilaw.
Let's happen when he talks.
I'll show you.
You show me?
Are you gonna show her?
You show me? Okay. You show me your favorite color.
Juice, juice, mommy, juice.
Juice? Yeah.
Oh, yellow and purple and red. Did you paint that at school? Did you paint that? Oh, that's for Pop, not for my nanny, for Poppy. No, it's for nanny, isn't it? Or is it for Poppy? Oh, that's lovely.
What was that for?
Poppy.
Oh, yeah. I know. Is that for puppy?
How is it?